Last time with Long Ranger.
Alright, got down Princeton. I'm on the Colorado Trail. So cold up there, and all my water froze. East Ridge of Yale! What a day! Yale, yeah! So, we're in the Avalanche Gully off Yale. As you can hear, there's a raging creek. I don't know how I'm gonna cross it. See if we can't find a log to go across, like we're in the jungle book. I'm Mount Columbia. It's about 11 o'clock. Full moon and a lunar eclipse.
One shiver baby coming right up.
There's Columbia. We're doing the low traverse today because I'm tired. And it's no big deal. People have meltdowns in this thing on their Nolan's run, myself included, but things are looking good with the snow. All the talus is hidden. So it's just a snow slog, and this is pretty grippy snow. It's just been sun-baked for many, many days. It's a long ways away. Alright, done and dusted. The snow made it really easy. Now I just have a big snow slog to Summit Harvard. Hopefully that'll like warm me up because my up legs are not there yet, unfortunately. Come on legs, go up hills. Come on legs, go up hills. Alright, Harvard. Man, I'm tired. That's to be expected. My descent into Pine Creek Basin looks interesting. I think it'll work. I mean, I know it'll work. Missouri's a big unknown, though. I'm not sure how I'm going to do Missouri. We'll find out. We're in the Pine Creek Basin. That descent from Harvard was crazy. It's so long. I lost many thousands of feet. Now I'm at tree line. You can tell there's just so much snow everywhere, so I'm going to have a post-ho hell getting out of here. Not looking forward to it. I guess I don't have any other choice. Pray. Oh man, this is a special kind of hell. Oh, this whole forest is snowed in. I'm just post-holing everywhere, and now there's all these down trees. So even if like there's snow on top of the trees, there's all these wells made by the logs. Just really doing a number on my my legs. This sucks. I'm gonna get lost in here. I am so close to the creek. It's done. I can see it. I can see the water flowing. I think the best thing is just to get to the creek and just wade through. It's gonna be better than trying to like go through all these down trees, all this blowdown. Oh, and then I need a nap. I would like a nap. This is a down point. Oh, low point. Okay, well that works. And there's the creek. There's really amazing snow drifts on there. So it's raging. I don't want to cross it here. I'm gonna find like a log more over here where I can just kind of walk over. Is this a good time to tell you I'm scared of creek crossings? Thankfully these like big blobs of rock are really good to stand on and walk. Also, this is such moose heaven. I'm really kind of concerned I'm gonna run into a moose. I only say that because it's happened before to me here. Hey moose. These little blobs are amazing. You can probably skateboard on these. Pretty cool. Wow, look at that snowdrift. Even if I could cross that, I couldn't cross the snowdrift. Onwards. I'm just gonna keep walking, keep looking. Like these rapids do not look like terrifying. It's like, I don't know if on the other side of the shore, if the trail is actually above the snow. Oh, okay, we did it. Yeah, it was no big deal. I have no more dry socks. 3 pairs I brought. I do like this landing though. Because I need water badly to make food. And I think I'm gonna make food here. And if it doesn't snow on me, I might take a nap here too. I might take a nap here until it snows on me. This is a really bad place to be stuck. Because like the walkout is like 7 miles. I am definitely the only one here. Alright, good nap. Just had some food. I feel a ton better. I don't know what this weather's gonna be. It's like worse than when I started my nap, but nothing's falling. I'm really tired. I'm about to call it, honestly. I just can't finish everything today and tomorrow. We're just gonna keep summoning pumpkins. We're gonna try and continue to have some fun. Weather doesn't look good, but nothing's falling. Alright, going up Mount Oxford or Belford or wherever. Oh, just this huge talus field until we get to like looser ground. Oh man. Alright, Mount Oxford. I got Belford to do and then I think that's it. My Slowlans is turning into a Snowlands. There's lots of snow on the route now. Which is also surprising because the southern end wasn't very snowy. You know, I can kind of do it, but I gotta do it slowly. I gotta hit all the snow in the right time. And the right time is the kicker. I don't have that luxury. Been fun. Drew's already down at the Missouri Gulch Trailhead. I'm at about 60 hours into this trip, and what's funny is I am now on peak number 8. Which is one better than I've ever done in any of my Nolan's runs, and I think I've done at least 3. By going slower, I actually was more successful. So that makes me wonder if I just went slower on my actual Nolan's runs, I would have done a better job. With the fitness I had, you know, I think the also takeaway is get fitter, and then you can go faster. I'm having fun. I mean, this is nothing but like, see where we're at. I'm super psyched. Super psyched to see Drew again. Hope I can like take him out for breakfast or something. You got this, Justin. What's up, Drew? I didn't expect you here. Oh, that last uphill, man.
Yeah.
Killed me.
Oh, nice. How you feeling?
Pretty worked.
Yeah?
Yeah.